How to compost in the classroom using the FOODCYCLER.
Workbook and lesson to accompany this video, available on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Teacher in Sweatpants.
What is a FOODCYCLER?
A FOODCYCLER is a countertop appliance designed to transform food waste into a nutrient-dense soil amendment. A soil amendment is materials, like compost, added to soil to improve its quality and promote better plant growth.
How do you set up the FOODCYCLER?
Open the back panel of the FOODCYCLER. Peel off the stickers from the filter. Place filter caps on the filters. Replace the back panel by pushing on each side.
What can go into the FOODCYCLER?
Veggie and fruit scraps, meat, fish and chicken. Bones, including fish and chicken. Coffee grinds and tea leaves, including coffee filters and tea bags. Lastly, beans, seeds, eggs and eggshells.
What can go into the FOODCYCLER in small amounts?
Sauces, dressings and gravies. Dairy products, jellies, jams and puddings. Starches, including bread and rice, hard fruit pits. Lastly, paper towel.
What can't go into the FOODCYCLER?
Cardboard, oils and fats, candy and gum, compostable plastics, beef bones.
Where should I put my compost bin?
Find a convenient location for your compost bin near the classroom garbage. The bin includes an odor-neutralizing lid to keep the smells down in your classroom. During eating times, students can add their food waste to the bin, replacing the lid when finished.
How much food waste should go in the bin?
There is a fill line on the inside of the bin.
How do you start the FOODCYCLER?
Remove the odor-neutralizing lid from the bin. Set the compost bin inside the FOODCYCLER and turn the bin so the arrows match and it drops into place. Gently push the handle down. Place the FOODCYCLER lid on and turn to the locked position. Plug in and press the power button to start the FOODCYCLER.
How does the FOODCYCLER work?
Drying. The FOODCYCLER heats up to 140 degrees Celsius to remove excess moisture and kill over 99% of bacteria. This reduces the volume of food waste by up to 90%.
Grinding.
The FOODCYCLER's grinding system uses blades and a rotary mechanism to break down the food waste into small particles.
Cooling.
The FOODCYCLER cools down at the end of the cycle, so the food waste is safe to handle.
Can I add more food waste if I have already started the cycle?
You are able to open the lid and add more food waste, but to keep everyone in the classroom safe, we will not be opening it after it has started.
Now what do I do with this stuff?
Add it to your flower and vegetable garden soil. Mix in potting soil to start seedlings and indoor plants. Add to your compost bin. Feed to your composting worms. Sprinkle on your lawn to encourage lush grass growth. Donate compost amendments to a local community garden.
Benefits of compost.
Soil enrichment, waste reduction, reduces use of chemical fertilizers, and improved plant health. Now let's start composting using the FOODCYCLER.
Workbook and lesson to accompany this video, available on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Teacher in Sweatpants. Check out my other videos on YouTube.